she had that special kind, something stronger than a whiskey pour. I knew what I wanted was on that barroom floor. I was wrapped around her finger before I even learned her name. Shot me down with a single look and I swore I heard her say, keep the country coming, bumping all night long, moving to the music is right where she belongs. There's some danger in the denim when her song comes on. She'll put the hell of hurting on this honky tonk. She could kill a cowboy, make a cold beer sweat, and she ain't done dancing yet. If they play that nitty gritty, she'll run up to the front, cut up to Chattahoochee boots, scoots a buzzing down. Watermelon crawl down that copperhead road, saying play what you want, just don't play nothing slow. Keep the country coming, bumping all night long, moving to the music is right where she belongs. There's some danger in the denim when her song comes on. She'll put the hell of hurting on this honky tonk. She can kill a cowboy, make a cold beer sweat, and she ain't done dancing yet. Out in the country when the sun goes down, got the coldest drinks and the hottest girl in town. The joint starts jumping off right down now. Yeah, it does. The boys ain't gonna go till she hits the road. Nah, they came here for the show, so keep the country coming, bumping all night long, moving to the music is right where she belongs. There's some danger in it down when her song comes on. She'll put the hell of hurting on this honky tonk. She can kill a cowboy, make a cold beer sweat, and she ain't done dancing yet.
Let's learn Danger in Denim. It's choreographed by Farley and Meaghan O'Callahan. It is a 48 count, 4-wall, high beginner level line dance with restarts on walls 3 and 5 after 32 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restarts, and then go around and dance 6 walls of the dance so that you know how it all flows so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Danger in Denim. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step forward with our right and hold. Step forward with your left and hold. Rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, and we're going to do a quarter shuffle over our right shoulder. Make a quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the right side. Step your left next to your right, step your right foot to the right side. You'll be facing 3 o'clock. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, step and hold. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do a weave with a point. Cross your left over your right, step your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, point your right toe to the right side. You're now going to step your right foot forward and slightly across your left, point your left toe to the left side, step your left foot forward and slightly across your right and point your right toe to the right side. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your right foot facing 3 o'clock, weave with a point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover onto your left, and we're going to do a half shuffle, making a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping our right foot to the right side, step your left next to your right, and make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 9 o'clock. You're now going to rock forward with your left, recover onto your right, and you're going to do a left coaster step, stepping left back, right together, left forward. Let's try that with some counts. Rocking forward, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, we're going to do 2 quarter turning Monterey's. We're going to point our right toe to the right side, slightly angling our body to the left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, turning on the ball of your left foot. Bring your right foot in and next to your left, taking weight onto your right foot. You're going to point your left toe to the left side and step your left next to your right, taking weight onto your left foot. You're now at 12 o'clock. We're going to repeat that, point our right toe to the right side, angling our body to the left. Make that quarter turn over your right shoulder, turning on the ball of your left foot. Step your right next to your left, point your left toe to the left side, step your left next to your right, taking weight onto that left foot. You'll be facing 3 o'clock. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left foot, Monterey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 5, we're gonna rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, and we're gonna do a right coaster step, stepping right back, left together, right forward. You're now going to step forward with your left foot. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot. You're now facing 9 o'clock. And you're going to do a half shuffle, making that quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side, step your right next to your left, and make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left foot. We're doing our rocking coaster. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 6, in our final section of the dance, you're going to stomp your right foot to the right side and hold. Stomp your left foot to the left side and hold. We're now going to do hips. So you're going to slightly bend your knees and you're going to roll your hips to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. Let's try that with some counts. Stomping to the right. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that all the way through. We're going to do it one time with steps, one time with counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're stepping forward with our right. Step, hold, rock, recover, quarter shuffle. Cross, side, behind, point, cross, point, rock, recover, half shuffle. Rock, recover, coaster, step, Monterey, point, quarter turn, point, step, point, quarter turn, point, step, rock, recover, coaster, step, half back, half shuffle, forward, stomp, hold, hip, right, left, left. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on that left foot, stepping forward with your right. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restarts. Our first restart is going to be on wall 3. You'll be facing 6 o'clock. Our second one will be on wall 5 and you'll be facing 12 o'clock. Both restarts are going to happen at the same point. You're going to dance up until you do the 2 quarter turn Montereys, and then you will restart the dance onto the next wall. So the restart will still continue your rotation because your 4th wall will be facing 9 o'clock like it would be if we danced it all the way through. So let's face the back wall. We're going to dance 32 counts of the back wall and then restart the dance. So weight is on your left foot. You're doing your 2 walks. Step, hold, rock, recover, quarter shuffle. Cross, side, behind, point, cross, point, rock, recover, half shuffle, rock, recover, coaster, step, point, quarter turn, point, step, point, quarter turn, point, step. Right here, you will now restart the dance with your walks forward. The same thing is going to happen when we face the 12 o'clock wall. You'll dance all the way through to those Montereys. You'll be facing 3 o'clock and then you'll start the dance all over again. So now let's go around. We're going to dance 6 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transitions between the restarts and the walls that follow it. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your step. Step, hold, rock, recover, quarter shuffle. Cross, side, behind, point, cross, point, rock, recover, half shuffle, rock, recover, coaster, step, Monterey quarter turn, Monterey quarter turn, rock recover in your coaster step. Step, half back, half shuffle forward, stomp, hold, hips right, left, step, 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 32 counts. Step, hold, rock, recover, quarter shuffle. Cross, side, behind, point, cross, point, rock, recover, half shuffle, rock, recover, coaster step, Monterey quarter turn, Monterey quarter turn. Now restart. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 32 counts. Step, hold, rock, recover, quarter shuffle. Cross, side, behind, point, cross, point, rock, recover, half shuffle, rock, recover, coaster step, Monterey, point, turn, point, step, point, turn, point, step, restart. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. I hope this helps you learn danger in denim. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.